With more than 20 years of engineering expertise, we deliver integrated manufacturing and quality processes to European standards with maximum precision. Combining engineering expertise with manufacturing excellence, we produce reliable, high-performance machinery. Our manufacturing begins in a state-of-the-art machinery park equipped with advanced production technology. Raw materials entering production are first processed to millimetric tolerances using high-precision CNC laser cutting machines, CNC lathes, and CNC fiber laser pipe cutter. The cut components are then formed on our automated CNC press brake systems to achieve the exact geometry specified in the engineering design. The formed components are carefully assembled by our experienced fabrication specialists in strict accordance with the engineering drawings. Machine frames and structural assemblies are fabricated using advanced automated welding systems that minimize human error. Combined with the expertise of our skilled craftsmen, every component becomes a robust structure built to withstand heavy industrial conditions and demanding mechanical loads. Following dimensional and assembly verification, the completed structures are transferred to the paint shop for the final manufacturing stage. Here, each machine is coated using a specialized industrial coating with long-lasting protection against corrosion and harsh environments. The physical and chemical conformity of all raw materials is verified using spectrometric analysis. Every component is inspected with digital calipers, micrometers, dial indicators, and thickness gauges to verify material thickness, dimensional accuracy, bending angles, and surface finish to micron-level precision. The hardness and mechanical strength of processed metals are precisely tested using a durometer. Motors, shafts, and rotating assemblies are inspected with vibration analyzers to verify balance and alignment. The coating thickness of painted steel structures is measured using coating thickness gauges. After final quality inspections, each product is packaged and stretch-wrapped for maximum protection during transport. Experience IPS MAKINA. Discover industrial excellence. IPS MAKINA, your solution partner.